In this video, you'll learn how to transfer your Pi token to OKX. By following these steps, you will successfully move your tokens, provided you meet the necessary requirements. Ensure that you have completed the Pi KYC process, migrated your Pi to mainnet, and have an available balance in your Pi wallet before starting this process. First, check your Pi wallet balance to ensure it is available for transfer. If your balance shows locked or displays a zero available, you will not be able to send any tokens at this time. It is important to verify your balance before proceeding to avoid any confusion later. Next, you will need to obtain your OKX Pi deposit address. Open the OKX app or website and navigate to the Assets section. Once in the Assets area, look for the deposit option and tap on it. In the search bar, type PI to find the relevant token. After locating Pi, you will see a long wallet string displayed on the screen. This is your Pi deposit address, which you will need to copy for the next step. Now, switch to your Pi wallet to initiate the transfer. Open the Pi browser and select the wallet option. You will be prompted to unlock your wallet using your passphrase. Once you have successfully unlocked your wallet, tap on the Send or Pay option. Paste the OKX deposit address that you copied earlier into the designated field. Make sure to double check the address to avoid any mistakes. After pasting the address, enter the amount of Pi tokens you wish to send. It is advisable to ensure that you are sending a correct amount and that you have sufficient balance to cover the transaction. Once you have verified the details, confirm the transaction. This will initiate the transfer process, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your transaction is being processed. Finally, you will need to wait for a few minutes for the blockchain to confirm your transaction. This process can vary in duration depending on network activity, so be patient. To verify that your tokens have been transferred successfully, return to the OKX platform, navigate back to Assets, and then check history to see the transaction details and confirm that your Pi tokens have arrived.